Aweber review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at Aweber and I'm going to be reviewing it. I'm going to be giving you everything you need to know. I'm going to be telling you its walkthrough, pros and features, its pricing, everything. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website aweber.com, and before I begin we're going to go ahead and sign up, and the process is actually pretty simple. And Aweber is basically an email marketing tool that you can use to boost your productivity, your sales, your audience, your awareness, whatever your goal is. And you can just sign up by just simply clicking on the continue with Google button over here, or you can get an option right here. But yeah, or you can fill out this form right here. It totally depends on you. So let's go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to continue with Google. Then you should be good to go. Your account will be created. I've already created it. There was a hiccup with the sign in, so I had to create another one. So here we go. So now step 1 is complete. Step 2 is to check our email, verify it. And then step 3 is to start creating the remarkable experience. So let's go ahead and go into our Gmail. And now we just set up our password and click on save password. And now we just set up our account, company name, company website or social profile, whatever you want to add. Industry over here, you just select the type you want. And then over here, select the option that you're most comfortable with, and then hit the continue button, and then fill out this form and you should be good to go. Then hit the continue button. And for now, I'm just simply going to type in no, I'm just getting started. Don't worry, click on continue, and we can skip this as well, but we're just simply going to go ahead and click over here and select the options that we want. So growing my audience, newsletter, and sell products or services online. Yeah, well, these 3, and then click on continue. And we'll just, say Facebook for now and hit the continue button. And here you go. So this is going to be your dashboard. It looks pretty simple. You have to fill out or complete this whole section right here. You got to go ahead and publish your pre-built sign up page, your new subscribers. You got to welcome them. You got to share your page, connect your Stripe with Aweber, and sell your first product. So these are all the things that you need to do. You can skip this, but it's good to go ahead and do all of them for you. Pretty simple. And you can see the sign up process was very simple, and you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below. You'll easily sign up. You'll get a massive discount and save a bunch of money. So make sure you check the link in the description below and you can easily sign up. So let's go ahead and move on. We'll also go ahead and take a look at some of the pricing plans as well. Since Aweber is not completely free, you need to go ahead and select one of the plans. But first, let's go ahead and fill some of these things out and take a look at all of the options that are available. So here on the left hand side, we've got our messages, automation, subscribers, page forms, list options, web push, all of the integration options as well. Here is our newsletter assistant. This is the AI. You can go ahead and ask it, or help, or get its assistance and complete your tasks. So let's go ahead and do this. So first, let's go ahead and publish our pre-built sign up page, and let's go ahead and click on publish. And here on the left hand side, it'll take us to the pages and form section, where we can go ahead and create our page, where we can create our sign up page and our sign up forms and other options as well. Here you can see these are all the options that we have. Here we can create one if we want. These are the unpublished ones, and these are the published ones over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one and see how it looks like and see whether or not it needs any changing. Okay, so it's a pretty simple page, nothing too crazy. Let's go ahead and click on the create a page and see what we got. So we got a bunch of different templates. All right, so here we can choose from all these different options. We got about, blog, consultants, e-commerce, and other options as well. Here we can search for a template if we want. Here we can go ahead and select one of the templates, and it totally depends on you. What type of product do you have that you want to go ahead and create that template for? But yeah, you can just simply select and click on choose button, or preview it, open it up, take a look of it, see whether you like it or not. And here we can see this is how the editor looks like. Pretty simple editor. On the left hand side, we have all of our basic option. It's a simple drag and drop editor right here. We can just simply grab the option that we want and then just simply paste it into whatever section we want, and it's pretty cool. So very simple. Then all you got to do is just simply go ahead and save and exit it, or save whatever you want to do. Once it's saved, and then you can come over here and just simply select the page that you have created and click on the 3 dots and just simply hit the publish page button. We're going to submit this one since it was already created. But yeah, then it's going to be published. Boom, there you go. Click on done, leave it as it is. Now, if we go back to the quick menu, or actually go back and see what we need to do next, welcome the new subscribers. So automatically set up a new message for the new subscribers. So let's go ahead and activate that. So here in automation, we got to go ahead and do that. So here in template work series, pretty simple, nothing too crazy. You can create a workflow over here. This one is already created. This is a welcome series. You can create one yourself. For example, if you want to receive certain notifications about certain emails or certain job offers, whatever it is that you want to set up, you can set up over here. And since this one is already set up, we'll just simply publish it like so. Nothing too crazy. And of course, it's all connected over here. You can create a whole step over here, and then you can create like a trigger, create like an action, create like an action to that trigger. And yeah, that's how you can create your workflows. And it's now on published version. Now we can exit it. Going back over here, thought we did. Let me go ahead and click on the 3 buttons, and yep, it is turned on. There we go. It is now turned on. So that's okay. This is the page that we've set up. We can go ahead and click on the 3 buttons, and then here we can go ahead and copy it over here, or copy the link over here, or we can just open it up like so and copy the link from the tab right here, and then, you know, share it like that. But it totally depends on you. Then we can connect Stripe. So for that, we come over here onto the left hand side, click on integrations, and here in integrations we got PayPal. We got all sorts of different options. Here we have the Stripe for landing pages. We just simply select this button right here, or this integration, and then we'll have to do a couple of things, but we then need to click on the connect integrations. We need to install it, and then you have to go ahead and set up your account for Stripe. So you can do this on your own. You don't need me to show you, since, you know, I don't have a Stripe account, but you just simply fill out your email address over here. I think I do have a Stripe account. Let me go ahead and log in actually. And then you just simply select your account and click on connect, and it will connect. And it's as simple as that. So there we go. Now we have fully set up our Aweber account. Now we're ready to go ahead and start our email marketing. So next we just need to verify a few different details, like, you know, our phone number, last 4 digits of our social security number, you know, address and everything. So once you've done that, you are good to go. So pretty cool, right? So now we should be good to go, but I'm going to skip all of this. So you can do this for yourself. You don't need me to show you. And then here is your product. So now we just need to go ahead and sell our product. So you got a product, service you're offering, great, let's get it sold. So we just simply have to click on the learn more button, and we should be good to go. And here you can go ahead and set up your e-commerce landing pages and see how you can go ahead and sell your product. It's quite simple. So again, you just need to come over here into the pages. You need to go ahead and set up landing pages. You need to set up sign up pages, and you should be good to go. And then within the landing pages, within the e-commerce page, you will have a link to your product, whether it's digital or physical. And then people will click on that link, and, you know, it will take them to another part of the website that you've set up on a separate domain and stuff like that. And then they can buy it from there. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing now. So here we go. So you can see right here, if you switch to monthly, you can see right here, these are the 3 plans. So we've got the done for you. The most popular is the plus and the light. So $15 a month. All right. This will get you 1 email list, 3 landing pages, 3 email automations, and 3 users, 24/7, 1 custom segment, all of those stuff. And you can send 10 times the subscribers max monthly. And then you've got $300. And for this one, it's going to be unlimited emails, unlimited landing pages, unlimited everything. So you're good to go. And then we got done for you, where they basically set up everything for you. They'll set up your branding. They'll set up your email marketing team. They'll set up your landing pages. They'll basically set up everything. So all you got to do is just set up a one-on-one call and, you know, basically tell them our information, everything. Just pay them $30 per month and you're good to go. Down below, you can check out all the features, and there you go. So definitely check out Aweber if you're trying to, you know, up your game for digital marketing or email marketing. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.